Hello everyone, this is my first long video. So today I'm going to explain how we build a demo code node. We learned that in part 17. First, we will place a trigger node. After that, we will click on plus, then search for edit field. Add that, and after that click on JSON. There, write this field and replace that with name and full name. At the name place, write Vishal. And at the full place, write Vishal Sai. After that, click on plus again and search for code node. Code node. Open it and write a custom code here. Write this code. Okay, so after writing this code, just close it, and after clicking execution, you will see a data came in code node. As you can see, Vishal style N8n. Because here you can see I write a code item.json. My name, Vishal, name, replace with item.js, full name plus N8n. This command full name, I'm saying here, replace my name with full name plus N8n. So we did that. Here I took an input of my name. After that I run an update command. That's code. So that's like, comment, subscribe.